The best summer menus are simple, keep you out of the kitchen, and showcase summer's best ingredients. Today we're gonna make the perfect summer dinner with sweet corn, basil, and even some fresh picked blackberries. The first thing we're gonna do is put some pita on the grill to make our flatbread pizzas. I'm gonna lightly olive oil it, use a brush to move that around, and then season them with a little coarse ground salt, and put them on a nice hot grill to get them toasted. A great tip for keeping your kitchen free of steam on a hot summer's day is to simply wrap your corn in the cob on wet paper towels and pop it in the microwave for 4 minutes. Then we're gonna finish it on the grill for just a minute or two to get that great charred flavor. The base to our pita pizzas is a fresh basil pesto. You can make pesto with any herb from the garden, but basil is traditional and so are pine nuts. But we're gonna swap out the pine nuts for some freshly toasted almonds. So this part calls for basil, almonds, a little garlic, some extra virgin olive oil, and some coarse ground salt. It all goes right into your food processor or blender to give you the base to our pita pizzas. Now we've got our corn off the cob and we're gonna build our pita pizzas. So we've got our nice toasted pita here. We're gonna top it with some of our fresh basil that we made with our almonds. Not too much, just a couple spoonfuls. And then just spread that out. This smells amazing. I know you can't smell it, but it's amazing. It smells so nice and fresh. Get it all the way out to the sides, just like that. Then we're gonna top it with our corn. And last but not least, some nice fresh crumbled goat cheese. Once this is on top, you can pop it under the broiler for just a minute to get the cheese nice and melty. I used a little bit left over of the pesto to make a vinaigrette for a salad. I'm simply gonna lightly dress some fresh greens. Put this on a plate with some fresh summer tomatoes and our goat cheese pesto pizza. Those beautiful summer ingredients turned into a simple but delicious summertime dinner. Now all we need is a drink to go with it. Remember those blackberries? I made a simple summer mocktail by adding a little ginger syrup, those fresh picked blackberries, and I've got that candied ginger there. I'm just topping it off with some nice cold seltzer water. You can use club soda, you can use lemon club too. And now we've got the perfect summer evening.